Think 3D printing is too complicated for beginners? That is exactly the problem Tina2C was designed to solve. This is mini 3D printer that anyone can use. It is simple and easy to use and is loved by many families. If you are planning to own one, then don't miss this video. Let's start with what you get in the box. Inside the box, you have the Tina2C printer, a set of 4 color filaments, power adapter, basic tools, product manual, and fun stickers. With its small body, Tina2C fits easily on a desk, shelf, craft table. You do not need a large workspace to start printing. Tina2C setup is so simple. Just insert the filament tube about 1 centimeter, power it on, load the filament, connect the printer to Wi-Fi, and open the free app. It's all set. In the app, you can browse thousands of models in multiple categories, such as toys, household, and more. In addition, you can customize creative templates to express your creativity. And you can also learn many interesting STEM courses on the app. If you want to print models other than the app, you can also download STL files from third-party model websites and save them into your personal model library in the app. Just click Print, and Tina2C will start working. Tina2C has a build volume of about 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters, which is ideal for small toys, learning models, desk accessories, and everyday creative projects. Tina2C includes practical design upgrades that make daily use easier, including more user-friendly operation layout and cleaner rear-positioned ports. And the upgraded spool holder supports larger filament spools, so you have more flexibility for longer projects. It also includes thoughtful reliability features, such as nozzle cleaning, build plate positioning allows for easy placement, and build plate detection protects the print platform. The special upgrade is power loss recovery. Printing resumes from where it stopped. These details help reduce common beginner problems and make printing feel more reliable. Now printing is complete. You can see the print quality is very good. The details are clear enough to make your first prints feel exciting and rewarding. And when you are ready to go further, Tina2C can also work with computer slicing software. You can use Tina's own slicer to import models, adjust size, set parameters, and preview the print before sending the file. That's Tina2C, a compact and beginner-friendly 3D printer made for families, new makers, classrooms, and creative everyday projects. Whether you are just getting started or ready to learn more, Tina2C gives you room to grow. So if you are looking for your first 3D printer, Tina2C will be your best choice. Subscribe for more Tina2C tips and tell us in the comments what you want to learn next.